How textile certification transforms your business, boosts sales, trust, and global reach. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's competitive textile industry, quality alone is not enough. Buyers, brands, and global markets are demanding something more: proof. Prove that your textiles are safe, prove that your processes are sustainable, prove that your business is trustworthy. This is where textile certifications come in, not just as documents but as powerful business tools. In this video, we will explore how textile certifications can transform your business, increase your profits, and open global opportunities. Section 1. What are textile certifications? Textile certifications are third-party validations that confirm your products meet specific standards related to quality, safety, sustainability, ethical production. Some of the most recognized certifications include GOTS, Global Organic Textile Standard, OECO Tex Standard 100, ISO standards like ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. For example, GOTS ensure organic fibers and ethical production across the supply chain. OECO Tex guarantees products are free from harmful chemicals. These certifications act as a passport for your products in the global market. Section 2. Why certifications matter today? The textile industry has changed dramatically. Modern consumers and international buyers are no longer satisfied with just price and design. They want transparency, sustainability, safety. Certification help you meet these expectations. In fact, certifications are now often a mandatory requirement for exporting to Europe and North America. Without certification, your business risks being rejected by international buyers, excluded from premium markets, viewed as unreliable. With certification, you move from supplier to preferred partner. Section 3. Increase in sales and profitability. Let us talk about what matters most: business growth. Certified textile products can command 10% to 30% higher prices in the market. Why? Because certification creates value perception. When your product carries a recognized certification, buyers trust it more, retailers promote it more, customers are willing to pay more. Additionally, certified products have higher repeat purchase rates. Lower return rates due to better quality control. So, certification is not a cost, it is an investment with measurable ROI, return on investment. Now, section 4: Building trust and brand reputation. In business, trust is everything. Textile certifications act as a trust seal for your brand. They tell your customers this product is safe, this company is responsible, this brand is reliable. Certifications provide independent verification, which is far more powerful than self claims. In a world where greenwashing is common, certifications give you authentic credibility. This helps you build long term customer relationships, strengthen your brand image, stand out in crowded markets. Now, section 5: Sustainability and compliance advantage. Sustainability is no longer optional, it is essential. Certification like GOTS ensure eco-friendly production, reduce chemical usage, ethical labor practices. Governments and global brands are increasingly focusing on ESG, environmental social governance, responsible sourcing, regulatory compliance. Certification helps you stay ahead of legal risks, environmental penalties, market restrictions. They also prepare your business for future regulations. Section 6: Global Market Access. Want to export your textile products? Then certifications are your entry ticket. Major international brands and retailers require certifications before onboarding suppliers. With certification, you can enter European and US markets, work with global brands, expand your export opportunities. Without certification, your growth is limited to local markets. With certification, your business becomes globally competitive. Section 7: Operational efficiency and process improvement. Certification is not just about external benefits, it improves your internal systems. It helps you standardize processes, reduce waste, improve quality control, optimize resource usage. This leads to lower production costs, better efficiency, consistent product quality. Certification transforms your business from unstructured operations to a professional system. Now, Section 8, why choose URGS International? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we don't just provide certification, we provide complete business transformation support. We help you choose the right certification for your business, prepare documentation and processes, conduct audits and inspections, achieve certification smoothly and efficiently. Our goal is simple: to help your business grow faster, smarter, and globally. If you want to increase your market value, gain international clients, build a trusted brand, then it is time to get certified. Contact URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Let us help you turn your textile business into a globally recognized brand. Certification is not just a certificate. It is your gateway to growth, trust, and global success. Thank you for watching.